In this video, we're going to explore the difference between emulate and simulate. Simulate means to make something look or act like something else, often with the intent to deceive. It comes from a Latin word simulatus, meaning to imitate. To simulate is to make something similar to the original, like a theme park that feels like China when you're actually in Florida. Makeup artists can use pencils and wigs to simulate the look of a certain character. Computer engineers can make software that simulates a physical environment. Emulate, on the other hand, means to try to match or beat something in qualities or actions. It's derived from the Latin word emulus, meaning to rival. When someone is so impressive because of their skills, intelligence, strength, or accomplishments, we try to emulate them. K-pop fans will try to emulate the looks and dance moves of their favorite idols. Businesses will emulate competitors that have successful strategies. Okay, let's practice. Choose from the words emulate or simulate to complete each sentence. Pause this video to answer. What do you think is the answer for number 1? The answer is emulate. The company tried to emulate the success of its rival by launching a similar product. Number 2 is simulate. Dinah used makeup to simulate the look of an ancient warrior. Now number 3 is simulated. The engineers simulated a NASA-like environment to help them better understand how astronauts interact with their surroundings. And the last number is emulate. I tried to emulate the way my mother looks. If you want to build your vocabulary one word at a time, each video in this playlist here gives you a new word, its origin, and how to use it in a sentence, all under 1 minute. So go ahead and click this playlist.